Good morning, YouTubers. Welcome to the vlog. Today we're going to install BuiltRight Industries rear seat latch release. But first, the F-150. Okay, I'm going to try something a little different with this install. I'm going to use my GoPro head mount, which is kind of like those Petzl lights, and I don't know how well it's going to work, but we'll give it a shot. And right now I'm gathering up my tools that I need, and I'll get back with you shortly, just like that. Okay, I have you on the head mount here, and what I want to show you is the tools I gathered up. A 14mm crescent wrench, close end, 3/8 drive with a T30 bit. And the first thing I did this off camera. I raised this part all the way up, and then I reached in behind with the wrench to release the pin, pull this, and then the whole thing will fold down. Okay, so from the top view, what I did was I stuck the wrench down, put it around the pin, pulled up, and then released the seat bottom, and then the whole thing folded down. So now really all we have to do is take these T30 bits out and match up I'm gonna pull this material down here over the corner of that. I don't really want to rip it or cut it, but I need room here. And there you can see the kicker sub that was added to my truck. I did that. It's a factory setup, but I added this after the fact. I bought it outright and then had a dealership install it for the warranty coverage. It's okay, it's not great, but it helps a little bit with the factory stereo. So let's get back to removing these Torx bits here. I'm gonna try to adjust this camera a little bit better. I'm using my cell phone up here so I can see the camera and what's going on. I think that'll help some. Okay, let's take these T30 bits out here. Nothing to it. They're not really super snug, but they're snug enough. All right. There's one. And there's two. Okay. So now what we do is we take this off and we basically just line it up. Have to remember how. I'm pretty sure it goes this way. There we go. Okay. Yeah, it goes like that. And see, so what you'll have is the plate slides in like that, and what that does is create a closed area there for the latch to pull. So what I need to do now is get my latch pull on there, this piece, and feed my fabric through the holder here. And there you have it. So with this like this, the whole idea is this red piece can't fall off. And then you just simply pull up and it releases the latch. Okay, so let's get this mounted back in. And you don't want this tight against, because that's going to create a lot of friction to pull this red piece. You want just a little bit of space there. And then you just remount it. And it's probably best to just start these bolts and then do your final adjustments right before you snug them down. Now we don't want it too loose, but we don't want it too tight, and that's sometimes the issue, is how do you get it just right? Well, there may not be an exact science behind just getting it exactly just right. So you got to do your best with what you got. And I think I like where it's at right now, so I'm going to try and stabilize this as best as possible. Okay, that's enough to hold it, and then I'm just going to do a quick snug. Snug there. Snug there. Just check it again. Okay, that's it. Talk about a simple install. So there you can see you have your, let's close our latch. There it is. And again, it's not too tight, but that red piece will not come off. Perfect. All right. So we're all set, and we got to make sure that this goes back into place, and we'll see what happens here. All right, here goes nothing. Now they say sometimes you have to adjust this because when you take that off it may not line up, but let's see how well it lines up. Okay, apparently got my seatbelt stuck. That wasn't too good. There we go. Okay, so it didn't work. So I need to figure out where I'm hitting. I think I need to lower it a little bit. And we'll try that again. And there it is. Again, that's the BuiltRight Industries rear seat latch release. And it's right here. Talk about simple. Oh my gosh, that's so much easier. The reason the 13th gen F-150s, that's your 2015, 16, and 17. The reason you only use one of these on those year of trucks is because once you have this side down, you can reach behind and get the other side down by yourself. You don't need to reach behind with a wrench or anything. You just fold this one down, which may be inconvenient. I don't know. I mean, it may be worth actually getting a second one just for shits and giggles. But either way, it works and it works good. So I'm pleased, very happy. there it is. All done. So there you have it, BuiltRight Industries rear seat latch release. If you have any questions, comments, feel free to ask. Type them in the section down below. If you're new to the channel, please hit that subscribe button. Go ahead and click that thumbs up and go ahead and share this video. I think it's a very good video for people that are interested in this install and they may not know enough about it, or they may be scared to do it. Very cheap mod. I think it was $20 to $30, but talk about phenomenal and very functional. BuiltRight Industries hit it out of the ballpark with this one. This is that F-150 guy signing off, and I may just do another vlog with another install of an accessory I got in the mail over the weekend, but I had to work this weekend. So I'll feel it out here and see what happens. We'll catch with you later. Adios.